Good day, our dearest learners. Welcome to our channel. Today's lesson is going to be about infinitives. What is an infinitive? How to use it and when? All these questions are going to be answered in our video. Stay with me until the end of this video and find out about the grammar usage of the infinitive. After this video, our free grammar quiz is waiting for you to check your understanding of this rule. Let's get started. Let's start today with an explanation of what an infinitive is. The infinitive is a base form of a verb with or without to. For example, in the sentence I want to drink is going to be the infinitive. In the sentence it makes me laugh is going to be the infinitive. There are some rules where we have to use infinitives. Rule number 1. We use infinitives when we express a purpose. For example, I will go to the shop to buy milk. Here, to buy milk is a purpose. You see, you are linking one idea to another. Also, you can, in your mind, add the question word why, and then an infinitive will appear. I bought flour to make a cake. I bought flour, why, to make a cake. I can't go for a walk. I must study to pass my exams. I must study, why, to pass my exams. I'm saving money to buy tickets for my holiday. Saving money, why, to buy tickets. Also, infinitives are used after adjectives and phrases with the verb be plus adjectives. For example, nice to meet you. Nice here is an adjective. And after that I put to and the verb meet. Nice to meet. I find it dangerous to walk at night. It is important to take care of our health. It is interesting to meet new people. Also, infinitives are used after certain verbs. Some of them are advise, agree, ask, offer, promise, want, decide, learn, hope, seem, and others. For example, she decided to move to a new city. He learned to play the guitar. I hope to see you in the evening. I want to cook tasty food. Pay attention, in these examples, sentences are positive. If I make a negative sentence, I put not before to. For example, she promised not to be late. They decided not to go outside and stayed at home. Also, we use the infinitive after phrases would like, would love, would prefer. For example, I would like to drink tea with a piece of cake. I'd love to go shopping with my friends. I'd prefer to go running in the morning. As I mentioned before, some infinitives are used without to, and we use it after verbs make and let. Like, let's get started. It makes me feel stress. After modal verbs, we don't use to. I can play the piano. You should eat more vegetables. That's all for today. But before you do the grammar quiz, let's summarize when we use the infinitive. We use our infinitives when we express a purpose, after adjectives, and the verb be plus adjectives, after certain verbs. I hope this was a clear and helpful explanation. And to check this, please follow the link in the video description to do the free grammar quiz to see if you understand this grammar correctly. Thank you for watching, and if this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, as it is much appreciated. Thank you and goodbye.